Have you ever walked into a room full of people and felt completely invisible? Like no matter how hard you try to smile or make conversation, something just feels off, and you watch everyone else connect effortlessly while you're left on the outside looking in. That sting of not being instantly liked, of conversations that fizzle out, of feeling like you're missing some secret code that everyone else seems to know. It hurts more than we admit, and it holds you back from the relationships, opportunities, and confidence you really want. But what if the problem isn't you at all? What if there are hidden psychological switches in the human brain that control who we like and who we don't, and you've simply never known how to flip them? Here's the dark truth almost nobody talks about. Most people are walking around completely focused on themselves. Their brains are running on autopilot, making snap judgments in seconds about whether you're worth their time and energy. And right now, without you even realizing it, you might be triggering the exact signals that make them pull away instead of lean in. The good news? Once you understand these subconscious triggers, you can hack them. You can create that instant spark of liking without changing who you are. According to researchers at New York University, there's something called the Chameleon Effect. When you subtly mirror someone's body language, the way they sit, how they gesture with their hands, even the speed and tone of their voice, their brain starts to feel like you're on the same wavelength. In their study, people who were mimicked reported liking their partner significantly more and said the conversation felt smoother. You don't copy them like a robot, you just gently match their energy. Cross your arms when they do. Lean in when they lean in. It creates this invisible bond that feels completely natural. Then there's the Benjamin Franklin effect. In a classic 1969 study by psychologists Jecker and Landy, people ended up liking someone more after they did that person a small favor. So here's what you do. Instead of trying to impress someone, casually ask them for a tiny favor. Hey, can you recommend a good coffee spot around here? Or, what's your take on this? When they help you, their brain rewires and associates you with positive feelings. It's counterintuitive, but it works like magic. You also have the power of similarity. Research on the similarity-attraction effect shows we naturally like people who share our values, attitudes, or experiences. The trick is to listen closely and highlight those connections. I feel the exact same way about that, or you remind me of how I was when I started out. When you show them you're cut from the same cloth, their guard comes down instantly. Another powerful move is getting them to open up. Studies by psychologist Arthur Aaron found that when people engage in deeper self-disclosure, asking meaningful questions, and sharing a little vulnerability yourself, they feel a surprising level of closeness, even after a short conversation. Skip the small talk. Ask, what's something you're really excited about lately? Then actually listen. When you create that space, they start to associate those good feelings with you. And never underestimate a real smile. Not the fake one. A genuine warm smile triggers emotional contagion. Their brain starts mirroring your positivity, and suddenly you become someone they feel good around. Here's the game-changing part. The moment you start using even one or two of these tricks consistently, you'll notice something wild happening. People will start leaning in. Conversations will flow. They'll remember you. They'll want to be around you more. You'll stop feeling invisible and start feeling magnetic. So here's your simple, powerful action to take today. The next time you talk to someone, pick just one trick. Start by subtly mirroring their body language and follow it up with one real, curious question that shows you're listening. That's it. One small shift. You now have the hidden keys to human connection. Use them with kindness, use them with genuine interest, and watch how your entire social world begins to transform. You deserve to be liked. You deserve to feel that warmth coming back to you. And now, you finally know exactly how to create it. Start today. The next conversation you have could be the one that changes everything.